hacking without permission is illegal. Hacker Computer School channel is strictly educational for learning about cybersecurity in the areas of ethical hacking and penetration testing so that we can protect ourselves against real hackers.
Certified Expert Ethical Hacker C will teach you the most recent commercial-grade hacking tools, techniques, and methodologies utilized by hackers and knowledge security professionals lawfully hack a corporation. C certification specialties. 99.9% practical experience. Most recent attack method. Private hacking code and tools. Antivirus evasion, FUD attack. Android 11 FUD attack. LAN and WAN attack on real device. Software cracking. Carding and spamming. Coding. C certification course in-depth guidance of expert ethical hacking with practical training, best-in-class digitalized practices. Hacker Computer School accreditation. Live training. Everything is easily conducted. Hacker Computer School provide an avant-grade live learning experience. Trainers in Hacker Computer School is highly experienced and certified in their respective areas. You will never be left doubtful as each session will be conducted with clear problem-resolving, complete step-by-step guide. Hire an online trainer from any part of the globe for various course, training and certification. Hacker Computer School has set a benchmark by framing its course with cost efficiency yet a competent course module that is full innovative. C comes with the latest version of vulnerability assessment and penetration testing that is developed with modern tools and concepts used by black hat hackers of hackers.